Hello wonderful people, I welcome you to weekly analysis video. Today we're going to start with gold. So like we always do, we do our top-down analysis. So what we can see on the monthly time frame is that gold hit a triple top. So we expected to see gold continue to go down throughout this month. So what can we see here? Apart from the triple top, can we throw in a trend line? Yes, you have a trend line here. Okay, so that's established. Then we now move down to the next time frame to see if we can find a new support or resistance level. And here is the weekly. The support and resistance level still useful. So can we find another support and resistance level? Yes, we can find one here. If you want to learn how to find all these support and resistance level and how to analyze the chart, check the description for a link to our course where we teach you how to do all this analysis on your chart. So this is what we have. What else can we do? You go down to the daily time frame. On getting to the daily time frame, what can we see? We can see what price is doing here. We throw in the trend line again, and this time you see that our trend line has been broken, and recently this is where price is. So what can we see here? We throw in our trend line again, and we can see that price is on this trend line. Let's try a channel and see from here all the way to this place, and we bring that down. Okay, so this is a nice channel. So this is what gold is doing at the moment after hitting our third stop. As you can see, we have first top, second top, and the third top here. So what are we going to trade this week, or what do you expect from the market? Well, let me take one time frame downward, because I want to draw a trend line, and I want the trend line to be meaningful. So take that, and that is my trend line. So what are we seeing here? If I go back to the daily, we can see that we are hitting the top part of the channel. So what is going to happen is this: we're going to see what price is going to do at this region. What is price going to do here? Will price break the trend line? So the best thing is for us to wait. But from what I'm seeing, we might have a break, a retest, and gold will continue to go down. and as it's going down, we take note of all these levels. And again, if the market will continue to the upside direction, we'll see a proper break, a retest, and maybe a continuation to the upside. But 70% is telling me that this market is going to go bearish. So that is that for gold. We go to the next one. GU. This is from our last analysis. Let me get rid of this so we can see the chart very well. So if I go to the daily time frame, so we can see that price is on this upward trend line. So what is price trying to do on this upward trend line? Let's take a look. I think we need to adjust this trend line a little bit. All right, so what are we expecting to happen in the market? Let me put a trend line here. So we have this little space for price to deal with. Price needs to deal with this before price can set the next direction to go. But if you ask me, there's tendency for price to break out and face the upside direction. And the other one is that price could break here, retest, and begin to go down. So this is just what GU could do in the coming days. Let's take another pair. Let's see Euro USD, what it's been up to. Still the same. Price needs to break out of this symmetric triangle and give us a direction, and we're going to trade towards that direction. So it's as simple as that. Let's look at another pair, AUD-USD. Well, you can remember from our last video, we said that AUD-USD hit an upward trend line so price is still on that trend line. And if I could go to the weekly to mend that chart, let's see what we could have. Okay, it's okay like this. If I do it like this, then I have to pull this away from here. So let's go down to the daily. And this is what we have. So like I said, price could hit this trend line or break it and come down to this support and resistance level. So that is what we're going to expect this week. Want to see what price is going to do. And we move over to the next one. And let's try US 2000. And from analysis, we can see that price hit a support turn resistance. So there are two things price could do at this level. Price could bounce off this, then gather momentum to continue in the up move. So let's take another pair. Which is a US100. So US100 broke this support and resistance level, and I think it's trying to find a support on this level before going up to hit the next support and resistance level. This is the daily time frame. When we go to the H4 time frame, we could see what price is about to do here. Price hit this line, which serves as a support, and for the second time, I expect price to bounce back to this trend line before going up to the next support and resistance level. Let's look at US oil. So this is what happened here. This is our trend line. You see that price bounced off the trend line and is heading up, but this is too steep, so I expect price to retrace a great deal before continuing in the up direction. Can we take another pair? BTC. Let's see what's happening to Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is still in the same location. Nothing much is going on with Bitcoin. It's still here, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to get down to this support and resistance level. But meanwhile, let's hope that it's going to do that in this month. So let's take the last, which is USDJPY. From our last analysis, you can see that this pair has been consolidating in this area. So at this point, this is the daily time frame. Let me go to the H4 time frame and see what is going to happen here. This is pure consolidation. If I adjust this and this is another, so this is what we expect. You can't do anything right now while price is between this top support and resistance level and the one below. So we're going to wait until price decide to break either this, then a retest either on this or inside, then begin to go up, or price could do the opposite. We don't know. Price could break here, retest, and begin to go down. That's all for this weekly market analysis. I will see you on the next one.